Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be giving you the answer to this question, that is, does YouTube TV have channels? So certainly YouTube TV offers many live channels including sports, news and shows. So in order to view them, you just have to simply come on tv.youtube.com, and even if you are not subscribed for it, you will be able to see all of the channels or the TV shows that you can basically view it. So you can click on the live section here and you will be able to see all of the live TV channels. You can even use the search bar in the top right hand corner, and you can search for the channels by name. You can select the channel from the search results and you can just simply start streaming them. Now if you already have a YouTube TV subscription, and if you want to arrange or customize all of your live channels, you can also do that as well. For that, you need to come in your settings, and in the left hand section you will see the live guide option. In the live guide, you will see all of the channels that you have with your YouTube TV subscription. So you can simply arrange them by simply dragging and dropping the channel. So this way you can basically customize that. So you can customize your channels. As I said earlier, you can also buy or rent the selected movies on YouTube TV. You can share a subscription with up to 6 accounts, and you can stream up to 3 devices simultaneously. YouTube TV also offers cloud-based DVR service with unlimited storage for 9 months. So these are some of the additional benefits that you are going to get with YouTube TV. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.